Here I have ALCATEL 1B, and today I'm going to show you how to add photo to contact on this device. So firstly, you will have to open your phone application, then go to contacts, then select contact which you want to add photo, then tap edit, then tap on the camera icon to add photo to it. You can select one of the pre-installed avatars, I guess, or you can tap here. Then you can select if you want to take photo or just select photo from gallery. Then let's select photo. Here you can adjust it. And then tap save copy. And after that, as you can see, you have to tap here and image will be added. Wow. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.